If you want to change or remove your video background without quality loss, keep watching. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change and remove video backgrounds in seconds with Hitpaw VikPea. Now let's dive in. First, click the download link in the description to download and install Hitpaw VikPea. Then open the program, head to the AI Tools section, and click Remove Background. The AI will automatically detect the person or main subject in your video, no green screen required. Once your background is removed, click Change Background. You can choose a solid color, upload your own image, or even add a new video as your background. Adjust the position and size of your subject if you need to. When you're satisfied with the result, simply hit Export to save your new video. And that's it, no technical skills required, no complicated steps at all. Hitpaw VikPea also comes with many powerful video editing features, such as removing subtitles and watermarks, plus repairing damaged footage. If you need these tools, feel free to check out our other tutorial videos. That's all for today's content. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe to our channel.